Hello dear students, welcome back in your English class. How are you dear students of class 2? Today we will read a story number 3. So open your books, ORC book. Open book page number 18. Story number 3, Farmer Ban's Boot. Farmer Ban had a farm, and on that farm he had 17 cows, 46 sheep, 39 goats, 62 geese, 49 white hens, a big red rooster, a couple of horses, 3 cats, and a dog called Zinka. Now these were the few animals which Farmer Ban had on his farm. You can see all these animals over here, and he is farmer. What a lot of animals! Farmer Ban was a busy man. He had no time to stand around. He was busy from early in the morning till late at night. Everywhere that Farmer Ben went on his farm, Zinka followed closely behind. फार्मर बैन जब भी कहीं भी जाता था, वो बहुत बिजी आदमी था. वो जब भी बाहर या कहीं भी जाता था तो जिंका उसके साथ होता था. In the morning, Zinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper of Farmer Ban. Then, when Farmer Ban had drunk his first cup of tea for the day, Zinka would get his boots. Farmer Ben early in the morning a newspaper read करता था और उसके बाद वो टी पीता था और जिंका फार्मर बैन के लिए वो शूज़ लेकर आता था. Farmer Ban had a smart pair of brown boots. He wore them all day. फार्मर बैन के पास एक ब्राउन कलर के शूज़ थे और सारा दिन उसे वो शूज़ पहने होते थे. They kept his feet warm and dry. क्योंकि वो उसके पाँव खुश्क और गर्म करता था. You could always tell where Farmer Ban had been because there were footprints everywhere. जो शूज़ फार्मर बैन को पहने होते थे वो उसके फुटप्रिंट्स के निशान ज़मीन पे छोड़ता था. उससे पता चलता था कि फार्मर बैन कहाँ है. One day Farmer Ban sat drinking his tea. He was waiting for Zinka to bring him his boots, but Zinka was nowhere to be seen. एक दिन फार्मर बैन बैठा था, टी पी रहा था और अपने शूज़ के लिए वेट कर रहा था, बट जिंका नहीं आया. Zinka, Zinka, he called. And after ages Zinka came, but she was carrying only one boot. कुछ देर के बाद जिंका आया, लेकिन उसके हाथ में सिर्फ एक शू था. Now where is the other one? asked Farmer Ben. दूसरा शू कहाँ है? Zinka sat in front of him with one paw on his knee, her tail waved. Zinka एक पंजे पे बैठ गया और वो अपनी पूंछ हिला रहा था. Come to book page number 20. Farmer Ben looked all over the house for his boot. Zinka looked too, but she could not find it anywhere. Farmer Ben और Zinka अपना शू ढूंढ रहे थे, लेकिन उसे दूसरा शू नहीं मिला. Farmer Ben looked very funny that day. He walked with a boot on one foot and a shoe on the other. एक पाँव में उसे एक शू पहना हुआ था और दूसरे पाँव में दूसरा बूट पहना हुआ था. Now go and find my other boot, said Farmer Ben to Zinka. Farmer Ben ने Zinka को कहा कि जाओ और दूसरा मेरा शू ढूंढ के आओ. Zinka ran off to ask the other animals if they had seen Farmer Ban's missing boot. Zinka दूसरे animals के पास गया कि किसी ने दूसरा बूट देखा है Farmer Ben का. Zinka went to the field. Have you seen Farmer Ban's boot? She asked the horses. Zinka ज़मीनों पे गया और horses से पूछा कि कहीं फार्मर बैन का बूट देखा? नहीं, they said we haven't. उसने कहा कि नहीं, हमने नहीं देखा. Zinka asked the cows, have you seen the Farmer Ban's boot? Zinka ने cows से पूछा कि आपने फार्मर बैन का बूट देखा? No, said the cows, swishing her tails. वो भी अपनी पूंछ हिलाते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि हमने नहीं देखा. Farmer Ben went hopping all over the farm, leaving funny footprints in the mud. Farmer Ben वो ज़मीनों पे घूम रहा था और उसने footprints अपने छोड़े हुए थे. Sklik, sklik, sklik. ये फार्मर बैन के शूज़ की आवाज़ आ रही थी. Now your homework is reading of book page number 18 and you have to write this para on your rough copy. We'll meet in next class. Till that, take care. Bye-bye.